Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have done a sunset blue pink eye. I'm not really sure. I'm doing a halo cut crease. I know that for sure. And if you want to find out how to create this look, then keep watching. So we're going to start off using the Sweet Peach palette, and we're going to use the shade Georgia, which is this nice kind of pastel pink here. And we're going to use that as our transition shade, and we're going to grab some of that and then run that through the crease. And the brush I'm using is the Stila 30 brush. Then going in with the Kylie little collection. It was part of a Valentine's Day collection. It was the Kiss Me little one. Two little things. And we're going to go in with the shade Sweet Thing, I think. It's the non-sparkly one. It's the matte one out of the two. It's this one here. Grab that. This is so highly pigmented. And run that through the crease again. We're going to go in with the Sweet Peach palette again, and we're going to go in with Summer Yum, which is this kind of burnt peach kind of colour. So now we have our shades. We're going to go in with Charmed, I'm sure, which is this brown shade here. And putting that lightly through the crease to start getting some definition. Okay, keeping this colour very close to the crease, we're going to go in with this orange kind of shade here on the Jaclyn Hill palette, this colour. I should really learn the names of these, but look how fiery that colour is. Then going in with the shade below that, so we just used this one, then we're going to go in with this kind of darker one and keeping that so close to the crease, like so close. So now starting to create the cut crease, I'm going to go in with the same, like, what I use. The NARS Custard Pot in medium 1 custard. So it's nearly empty, so I need to pick up a new one. I'm going to grab just a normal flat brush. I'm pretty sure this is from Morphe. And I'm going to grab that product. And I want to create a kind of almond shape on my eyelid. Not a full winged cut crease. And once I'm happy with my shape and I find it to be quite even, yes, I'm going to go in with the shade white peach, which is that white shade here, on the peach palette, and just to kind of set that shade, not the shade, set the concealer. Just spraying my brush with some MAC Fix Plus, and this is just a flat brush. And then I'm going to go in with this royal blue shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is just an amazing shade I'm obsessed with. And we're going to grab quite a bit of that shade and put it on the inner and outer corners of our concealer that we've put in place. Now going back in with the MAC Fix Plus, going in with this Georgia shade from Sweet Peach palette again, and getting a whole bunch of that shade and putting it in the center of that cut crease. So now that I've got that pink shade down, I'm going to go over that with this shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from there. That nice pastel pink shimmer shade, and putting that over that pink we've put there. So that orange smoke that we've carried on the transition shades up there, we're gonna transfer that down to the lower lash line. So we're gonna grab the shade, this shade right here, and just smoke out the bottom with that shade. So I'm going to go off camera and put on my lashes and finish the other eye. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put on my lashes and I put some white eyeliner on my lower waterline. So now for the lips, I'm going to go in with the color Dirty Peach, the mini one, part of this whole set. I'm going to put that on the lips. And then once I've got that colour on, I want to put the Kylie Cosmetics So Cute gloss over the top. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to click that subscribe button down below and the like button. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.